It's your bestie. Yep, it's Slay454. Slayku official. I don't care. Today we're gonna be playing Airplane Story. I played this before and in the end, maybe one of you guys played this. In the end, do you know what I literally did? I crashed the plane instead of not crashing the plane but then when I said yes, NASA, I was like, bro, what? Okay, let's get into it. Oh hell no! Why are there three people in the same? So many people in the same seat, bro. I miss that kind of misery, the tiny river nice to me, but only in that news. So I asked if I was dreaming. Okay, guys, let's get into this. Where I gotta close my door. Okay. So now, what did I get? I got the I never got the I-11. What the heck? Someone died. So sad, so sad. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Ooh, I got my friend's seat. When we both played it, she got this seat, and I was like in that seat in the middle, the one that has 12. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means, bro, shut up. We're limited on. Feel free to explode a plane. Wait, the noises? I like this noise. But wait a second. There's so many people in my server, but I see, oh yeah, because I'm in first class. I'm literally in first class, but I wish I could get first class. Mister, we don't know you. Let's go, go. Let's go to sit on my seat. Now I'm gonna be out of in 3, 2, 1, 0. Go to left me. Oh hello, where are you? Oh hello. Thank you for your cool power. Okay, I'm sorry. I hope I'll be the one who's allergic to mayonnaise when they give us the sandwich. Oh my god. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Let me just eat this so I can be allergic to mayo. Bro, please. If someone's saying ... they're the one who's allergic to mayonnaise. Please be me. I want it to be me. What? Mr. near me. Bro, what is he doing? Yes! I'm the one who... Wait. This... I'm not feeling well. Okay, I'll just accept it. I just want more friends. I'm allergic to Maya. No, I'm allergic to Maya. I don't know what to do. Sorry, I don't know what to do. Wait, is that? No, it's not there. Bro, I'm not buying it. I need to find it myself. Because no one cares about me. I'm not. Oh, no. Mama. My username is so like Slay. I found it. Bro, why was he finding it? Ever since he became my friend, he's being so nice. But what is he doing? Is he trying to make more friends? Let's just check his friend list because I hope he is. It's okay. Never mind, not that. Okay, he has 86 fans. But I don't know how do I have 904 fans. I used to have 889, but I kept making more friends for no reason. I'm about to reach like 1000 friends. So can you guys help me reach 1000 subscribers? But that might take me an year. I don't know. Oppa Gamasta. Oh my god, I'm missing. Wait, what's that in the right side of the wing? I see something. What is that? I see something. What is that? Hey, don't tell me I crashed the plane for you. You will not survive. Whoa, I crashed the plane for you, dummy rat. Snake, what do you... Let me just kiss the bathroom dog. Boo, can you open my kiss to you? Can you open? Maybe you can open it because you are people. Yeah. This paper will get out. It's out there. Mama. Oh my god. Oh my god. I like my avatar. Actually, it's so pretty. This animation is also pretty. See? Mama! Wait, what's that? Oh man, my friend who I just made died. Even the person who said, "Oh my god, what is that at the right side of the wing?" She died also. And she's still here. It's her. Bro, now she's not gonna be here. She's not gonna be staying alive and oh my god. Wait, why is everyone relaxing? Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. And the bad news is we are running out of significant oxygen. I know, see? I already play this game and I finished this. But I did the bad news is that we are losing a synthetic amount of oxygen. Oxygen, man. Give me that. I need it. Oh, give me that. Why is anyone getting oxygen, man? Everybody. They did it. How? 4 people died? But they're still in the game, yeah? Slowly, all of them left, but there's one more. But where's bro? He also left. Not him. That other guy. Who's that? What? Oh my god, what is it? Oh my god, guys, there's a bomb. There's a bomb. There's a bomb. There's a bomb on me. Give me the scissors. 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 But why did I say give me the scissors? Give me the scissors. Give me the scissors. Finally, now to cut the blue wire. Okay, I know. Shut up, my own avatar. I know which cable to cut. It's blue. I will cut the blue. Why you, bro? Okay, now it's blue. I knew it. How I'm leaving. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye.